afternoon or morning or whatever time it happens to be where you guys are right now. Down here on the beachfront, the riverside of Brisbane River at Southbank, and we're going to go on that Wheel of Brisbane. So this video is pretty much going to be everything you need to know about the Wheel of Brisbane. Right at this very point in time, they have what's called the Brisbane Festival going on. So there is a lot of background noise, guy playing the guitar up there, and there's going to be people everywhere. So as you can see, the speaker just kicked in, it's getting louder. So it's a bit of a craziness here, but given Sunday, given the atmosphere, we are going to go down and get ourselves a cider first and have a bit of a Sunday session. So let's go find some cider. Alrighty, cheers. Got a great big pint of cider here. If you happen to be joining us on a Sunday session, fantastic. If you happen to be commuting to work, which I often am while watching YouTube videos, I feel very sorry for you, but here's what it is. Find a good coffee shop, go grab a really nice coffee and enjoy that instead. So anyway, we're all about adventure, and after 10 years of the Wheel of Brisbane being in Brisbane, I've never actually been on it, and you've never done it either, so not a massively great big adventurous, but it's something new anyway, so here's to that. Exploring our own city of Brisbane, yeah. So while I'm drinking this, excuse me a second. That's actually really good. A few interesting facts about the Wheel of Brisbane. It's 60 metres up in the air, 360 degrees of Brisbane, so you get to see Brisbane River, the city, over to Mount Coot-tha hopefully, which we will show you very, very soon once we get on it. We actually pre-booked our tickets, which are somewhere on the table. So you just pre-book and they just load every 10 minutes, which is kind of good to know. Didn't have to sort of queue up or anything like that. You just rock up and queue up when you want to go on it, which is good. Price-wise, $21 for adults, $18 for students, $14 I think for kids.
But right now we don't actually know how long it goes.
And we don't know how long it goes for, so yeah. Anyway, we'll figure that out.
We're on there.
The Wheel of Brisbane used to be on the Gold Coast at SeaWorld, I learned today from my dad, so I didn't know about that, and they relocated to here. Been here for 10 years, it's 334 people when it's full, has 34,000 LEDs lighting it up. I know, good isn't it? But anyway, we'll keep drinking these things, and then, yeah, we will go and check this thing out and show it to you, so see you very soon. We are in the cabin number 3, going up. Oh, actually, we're loading. It'll take a little while to go. So, this is our little tiny cabin on the Wheel of Brisbane. We're about to go up to 60 metres up in the air. Someone's a little bit scared of heights. I don't get motion sickness. No, I don't really get motion sickness. They've got this. Don't rock it. They've got this talk over thing going on at the moment where they must run you through it, which you can turn down, which is kind of cool. So anyway, I'll stop talking now and you can check out the view. This is it. Very romantic. Now, the wheel is open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Thursday. On Friday night and Saturday night it stays open until 11 p.m. You can actually book a VIP gondola thing they call it, and that costs, I'm not too sure what it is, but for River Fire, for example, it's $300 and you get to watch the fireworks and everything like that. So yeah, it's a pretty good little way, and I'm quite impressed with that beautiful sunset that's happening over behind my right shoulder.
And you can go along with wine and cheese.
And yeah, for $9 you can get wine and cheese, so you can get blotto while you're going round and round. $9 each, yeah. But yeah, I think it's well and truly worth the experience. So right now we're just gonna, I guess, enjoy the ride. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Wheel of Brisbane, whether you've done it before, whether you would do it, whether you try it. Feel free to comment below. We're planning on doing lots of little adventures around Brisbane, plus some big ones overseas very soon, including Finland, the Northern Lights. So please like this video and subscribe, and yeah, follow us along on our journey of adventure around the world, I guess. So
Yeah.
see yous.